Tilting table. Elements up to 17 tons from horizontal to vertical. Long vertical elements cannot be delivered upright for placement because they would not fit on a trailer. Therefore, they need to be tilted 90 degrees on site. Depending on the method, this process can be costly, time-consuming, and may create safety risks or damage to the elements. With the tilting table, the element is evenly supported during the 90-degree tilt with wood cladding at all sides, minimizing the risks of damages. Because the frame is tilted slightly backwards and the element is secured with two chains, it stays stable throughout the entire process, ensuring safety. When the element is placed horizontally, the chains from the crane are attached to the short side of the element, and the element is tilted with the push of a button. The tilting table can handle elements of various sizes up to 17 tons, depending on the center of gravity. Once the element is upright, it can be easily lifted and placed. The tilting table can then be returned to a horizontal position, ready for the next element. Are you interested? Our team is ready to assist.